we want to introduce a very special person who I think probably everyone in this room knows because she is the queen of networking. And that is Elly Lonon, who won Pitchapalooza 2 years ago and who has her first book coming out in October. And we're inviting her up because we want her to tell a 2-minute version of this journey because it's incredibly informative and helpful.
Hi, my name is Elly Lonon, and you may have heard I have a book coming out in October. It's called Amongst the Liberal Elite. And I won Pitchapalooza last time, which was amazeballs and very weepy, and I cursed. Sorry. I have never met more intelligent and generous and wonderful people than this duo here. Buy the book right now, because every time I have a question and I can't reach them, I just open it. And the answer is in there. And I am shattered with generosity. Anyway, so as Ariel wisely told me that the cancer memoir is hard to sell because no platform. So she's just get in the New York Times and on Modern Love. And The Moth, it's easy. I made it into the Times, but not into Modern Love yet. And then the president was elected, and I had a panic attack, and I had a conversation about how go bags were necessary with a bunch of people online, and it turned into a panic attack column for McSweeney's, which now I write monthly. And this is the road trip to visit all across America to reconnect with Trump's voters. And it's comic relief from ourselves, and you should pre-order it now, because if you were in Cindy's session, you know about pre-orders and first week sales. And it's just...
Say the title.
I did, Amongst the Liberal Elite.
Oh, okay.
It's the road trip exploring societal inequities solidified under Trump, the Resist tour. And
it's a graphic novel.
It's a graphic novel. I'm not as prepared this time, y'all. I did not rehearse this for
I will just add that it is so clever, funny. The artwork is so perfect and detailed, and it's just one fantastic joke after another, but there's a deeper underlying plot.
And it's a perfect gift for snowflakes everywhere, isn't it?
Everywhere. Just in time for midterm elections, make a difference.
Exactly.
Yes, right.
But I will say that when it came time to when I was talking to agents, which I will tell you, I had offers from 7 agents.
Yeah.
Thank you. To Ariel yelling at me in the nicest possible way, why aren't you sending more emails? And then every time I would get something, she'd say, email everyone again. Stop doing anything else. So the thing that I do want to say is everybody keeps saying, like, who's going to win, whatever. If you make it on the stage, you are already won, because everyone will hear how amazing you are, like everyone here is. And just 2 seconds of, and no offense, Jane and Kate, I haven't heard you. You're wonderful, I love you, obviously. But any feedback that these two give you is just going to make you so much stronger and better and ready to, and I'm rooting for all of you at the end.
Thank you.